Hi guys, today I'm doing a demo tutorial review of Pat McGrath's new Divine Bronze Luxe Quad, the Venusian Sunrise. I received this last week at the end of the week and I only got around to doing the tutorial now, so I'm very excited to share this with you. I'm going to be creating this look. It's quite glamorous, I think, but not very colorful. It's more of a neutral look. I'm going to share my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette at the end. I did order the bronzes as well and the lip trio, but I did not receive those yet, so I might do shorts or something on those. I'll still see when I get them. But stay tuned if you want to see how I did this look or hear what I think about the palette. I primed my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the color Vanilla. And then I just added some brown eyeshadow to my eyebrows, and then I set it with the Benefits Cosmetics 24-hour Brow Setter Gel. It's a clear gel. And then I'm just going to hop right into Sunset Taupe with a Refer number 27 brush. And I'm just going to place that where I would place my transition shade, all over the higher part of the crease up to almost the eyebrow. Blend that out. That does seem to be foldable if I want to create a bit more depth. I like the colour. It's the typical easy to blend Pat McGrath formula, which is good. Just throw some underneath the eye, just pinching the brush a bit to flatten it so that I can use the same brush and not get it all over the place. Then I'm taking Velvet Eclipse on a small pointed brush. The one I'm using is the Crown Pro C528. And I'm going to use this to define my outer V, this corner here, and just deepen up the crease a bit. Going back with the previous brush and just going to blend out all the edges. Not too worried about the lid because I am going to put one of these shimmery shades on there. And then I'm just going to add some close to the lash line at the bottom as well. Just want to blend it out. Soft, smoky blends. I'm going to take Gilded Glamour on the finger and just place it on the lid from, oh, look at that sparkle, from the inside to about 3/4 outwards. I don't want to lose the darkness on the outer side of the lid. And I'll take that pointy brush just to fuse it into this darker shade. Just dust off some of that glittery fallout. In hindsight, I should have probably used one of those intensifiers sticks or a glitter glue, but I'll see how it wears. Then I'm taking Nude Solaris on a teeny tiny brush and I'm placing that in the inner corner. I just want to drag it up a bit here to just brighten up this inner part of it. And just at this inner part of the lower line. And I'm also going to place that close to the brow bone. That is a brow bone highlighter. It's a bit darker than I expected. This color looks a bit lighter to me on the photos and the swatches on the computer. Just going to use that Refa number 27 brush I used earlier and blend the edges. And there we go. Let me go add some eyeliner and eyelashes and let you know what I think. So what do we think, guys? I added some Illegal Length mascara. It's a newish mascara from Maybelline, and then I added some Ardell Demi Wispy 120 lashes and some, I think it's the Sigma gel eyeliner. I'm not 100% sure, it's either that or the Pat McGrath gel liner, but I think it's the Sigma one that I added in the waterline. The labeling has come off already on it, so. And then there we go. It was a very nice, quick, easy look to do. The shades are very blendable, so you can get away with using some of the darker shades and blending it upwards into a lighter shade. I really like the colors. It really falls into the natural color scheme that I usually wear when I go out. So to throw this one in my handbag or in my travel bag as a quick and easy apply makeup kit that I can basically create a full look with is very easy and standard. So I really like that I can do that with this palette instead of having to carry different palettes around to be able to create a decent yet even elegant look. The glittery shade, I did see some sparkle under the eyes afterwards, so I would really recommend using a glitter glue or this intensifies wand thingy from Pat McGrath, just to keep the sparkle from falling all over your face. But other than that, I think it looks beautiful. So let me know what you guys think, and then I will see you next time. Bye!